Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can import products from Shein to Shopify. You can start Shein, Shopify dropshipping. Today, after watching this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what happens when someone places an order on your Shopify store, how you can ship the products, every single thing you need to know. All you need to do, guys, you want to drop a like on this video and watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistake in this process. First thing you need to do, guys, first is to download an app that will help you guys import products from Shein to Shopify. Now, the app that we are going to use is free, but it's not free forever. So it only has a free trial. So what you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left and then click on apps and sales channels. Now after that, guys, you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right and you want to download this app. It's called Robo. So this app will let us import products from Shein to Shopify. Okay, now you want to click on Robo Product Importer. This is the name of the app, as you can see here, and then you want to click on install. And then after that, you want to click again on install. So after that, it will take you guys to this page where you need to download an extension. It's very important to download this extension. As you can see, step 1 is to install our free Chrome extension. Okay, now just click on get extension here, as you can see, and it will take you directly, guys, to Chrome web store so that you can download this extension so that you can start importing products from Shein to Shopify. Click on add to Chrome, click add extension, and first thing, and what you need to do, guys, next you want to click here where you can see this icon here, extension icon. Click on it and make sure you pin the extension in the top. Click on this pencil or whatever button here so that you can pin it. Okay, so after that, what you guys need to do next is you want to go to Shein. Okay, you want to go to Shein and you want to search for the product that you want to import to your own Shopify store. Okay, so what you guys need to do, as you can see, so after guys, you are on the home page of Shein. I call it Shein, I don't know why, but like the correct pronunciation is Shein. Anyway, so what you guys need to do, you want to find a product that you want to import to your own Shopify store. So let's just say that you want to import this product. Okay, so what you guys need to do now is, like I said, after you add this extension which called a Robo, as you can see in the top right. Now you want to find a product that you want to import. Okay, let's say I want to import this exact product to my own Shopify store. Now you want to click on Robo, as you can see in the top right, click on add to Shopify. Okay, it will take you guys to this page, as you can see here, guys. What you guys need to do next after you are on this page, just wait a few seconds. All right, now as you can see, you can also make some changes if you want. You can also change the price. Of course, you have to increase it more than this, like $7, and you have to see the shipping so that you can mark up the price. So I'm going to sell it, for example, for $19. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, and then you can also select the collection if you like the collection or the home page. And if you click on description, you can also make some changes to the description if you want. And here the images, you can select all images if you want. All right, now after you are finished, you want to click on add product to Shopify. Okay, so as you can see, okay, product compare price should be higher than the price. That's true. So I'm going to click on here. All right, I'm going to increase it to $25, and then you want to go back to import and click on add to Shopify. Now this exact product is going to be imported to your own Shopify store, and you can click on view product and you will find that exact product on your own Shopify store. Now I'm going to go back to my own Shopify store and I'm going to click on products. As you can see, this product is already imported, and you can click on it and you can make some changes if you want. Okay, so what you guys need to do now is if someone buys the product from you, you will have to do everything manually. You will go to Shein, and then you want to add this to cart, and instead of putting your own address, you put the address of the customer so that Shein will ship the product automatically, or they will ship the product directly to the customer. Okay, that's exactly for you now, guys. Dropshipping, you already know that. I know why you clicked on this video. But a lot of people say that if there is like a an automated system that will make everything automatic. It's not true. There is no way to make this system automatic. Okay, like they will not fulfill the orders automatically. They will not talk to the customers, you know. You will have to do everything manually. That's the problem with dropshipping from Shein to Shopify. That's the only problem I have found, is like there is no way to sync products, or to if the price of the Shein product is changed, it's not going to change on your own Shopify store. You have to do that manually. Okay, so that's exactly how you can start dropshipping from Shein to to Shopify. So if this video guys helped you, please drop a like. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If this video guys helped you, drop a like, and see you guys next video.